Today's vehicle is a 2005 Jeep Liberty, and as you guys can see, it's a bit of a mess. Now, while I get this snow blasted off the Jeep, I figured I'd let you know that I was able to record the customer's reaction when he picked up the vehicle, so you guys will definitely have to stick around until the end of the video to catch that, as it's a good one. Okay, with the Jeep covered in some nice thick foam, I'll go around with my Detail Geek boar's hair detail brush and use it in all the crevices around the vehicle, like the door handles, trim, emblems, and of course behind the gas door. And then we'll start on the floor mats, first getting some carpet solution sprayed on, then I'll agitate with the drill brush, and then I'll blast them clean with the pressure washer. And if you guys think this passenger mat is dirty, well, you won't believe what comes out of the driver's side one. I'll now start on removing the massive pile of garbage and personal items from the vehicle, along with a few interesting items. Okay, with everything cleaned out of the vehicle, I can finally see what I'm dealing with today, and overall I'm glad to see it's not a total disaster, but there's definitely a good amount of debris to get sucked up here, and stains waiting for the Bissell. Here's the bucket full of dirty and smelly water pulled from this Jeep. Gross. Do what's called priming my pad, making sure there's product right out to the edge. Then I'll add a little bit more before starting on the first section. And with a layer of sealant on this paint, it's going to boost the depth and gloss and keep it protected for about 6 months.
Come on in and have a look.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's looking good.
That thing looks awesome. I really did not expect it to come out like that.
Yeah.
Wow. That is amazing. Wow. I'm in disbelief here.
That's good. Glad you're happy with it.
Wow.
Okay, well, I will give you those and for sure enjoy it.
Thank you.
Absolutely. See ya.